Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. Today for you, I have a couple of unboxings to get to. If you notice in the background, I have a haul, but I'm actually waiting for 2 more boxes to arrive. So I'm not sure when. I think one's supposed to come today and the next one is supposed to come on Monday. So hopefully Monday I can sit down and do a thread up haul for you guys. Just real quick, there is a giveaway going on. The link to that is in the description. And also, last time I'm mentioning it, you guys have noticed my intro and my outro. If you are a YouTuber and you find that interesting, down below is my husband's information. He's done he's done another intro here on YouTube, and he's actually currently working on another one for a fairly large YouTuber. So with that being said, let's get into Boxycharm. So Boxycharm is $21 a month, and I feel like the boxes keep getting smaller. Like, I remember them being more square, or maybe just, I don't know. I just feel like they keep getting smaller. But I haven't really looked at any spoilers on this, and I've tried to avoid YouTube channels until I had gotten mine. I did watch 1 or 2, but I've been trying to avoid them. So this is what I see when I look in the box. And it comes with this, and on the back it has the products and how much they cost. It also looks like this month we get, it says the skin bar at Ulta Beauty plus Elemis. Ready for a flash facial, July 7th through August 3rd. $10 at Ulta Skin Bar. So I'm assuming that you can go into Ulta, present this coupon, and you can get $10 off of a facial. So that's nice. Okay, so I remove that stuff, and this is what I see, and then stuff falls out. So the first thing is a Luxy Gaia. No, sorry, pronunciation is here, but it's really right. JL. I don't know, even with the pronunciation there, it's hard to see, or it's hard to pronounce, but I'm gonna say, oh no, that's not an L, that's a slash. J-E. J-E. I'll quit there. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. Okay, so this is, okay, so this is a 3-piece brush set. Ooh, those are pretty. I like those. It feels like the handles are made of wood, and I don't know if you can see that, but you can see like the striations of the wood in the brush. Hopefully that's picking up on camera. I'm not sure that it is, but that is cool. Oh, those bristles are so soft. So we've got this brush, which I feel is probably a flat foundation brush, but it's kind of small, so maybe it's a concealer brush. Let me look. No, it's a foundation brush. And then we have the 2 eyeshadow brushes. Those are really super soft. And again, the handles have the striations in the wood, but I don't know if you can see that. I'll be keeping these. Usually I'm at a point where I pass brushes along because I have so many, but I'll be keeping these. The next thing I am pulling out is Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And that is cool. I have most recently started to love Elemis products. in the Boxy skincare box that I ordered, there was an Elemis facial cream in there. Facial cream. Moisturizer. And I have been absolutely loving that. I added that to my nightly routine, so I'm digging this. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you what these things are retailing for. So the brushes retail for $30 and the Elemis retails for $35. The next thing I am pulling out is an Ofra lipstick, and it is in the shade Santorini. And that is a really pretty, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's a really pretty purple color. I think I will probably just pass this along. It's a very beautiful color, but I think that I will just pass this along because I do have others in my collection that look like this or that are this shade. So I'll just pass it along. My throat is sounding a little rough. I went out last night and had a few too many shots, so I think I lost my voice. Oh, I'm sorry, and that Ofra lipstick retails for $20. The next thing I am pulling out here is an eyeliner by Appeal, and it's in Deep Taupe. This retails for $21. I will just pass this along. That's not my color. For eyeliners, I typically wear black, or I wear brightening colors like gold or silver or bronze, or I wear crazy colors like blue, purple, pink. So I will pass that along. And the last thing I am pulling out is a palette by Butter London. This packaging is really pretty. It kind of looks like it has the wood striations on there, but they're not really. It's just made to look that way, but it doesn't really feel like it does. Like on the brushes, you can actually feel the wood striations. So this is worth $32, and let's take a peek. So this is what it looks like. And oh, the plastic fell off, so I guess I'll go ahead and set that down. This is what it looks like. And they're pretty colors. I do think that I will just pass them along. I think we're to a point now where we are seeing a lot of palettes that have a bunch of neutral colors and then this pop of blue, and this is nothing I don't already have in my collection. I think it's a good palette. I have used Butter London products before, but I think I'll just pass this one along. Okay, so real quick, just to recap, the Elemis face mask is $35. The Butter London palette retails for $32. The 3-piece brush set retails for $30. The Ofra liquid lip retails for $20. And the eyeliner retails for $21. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Pardon my hair, I just got out of the shower and it's still wet. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.